afternoon guys. It's 3:16 in the afternoon. Makikita niyo medyo naka-formal outfit kami today because we're going to King's Wharf dito sa may Darling Harbor because we're going to have a dinner cruise care of Captain Cook. It's a 3-course dinner. Tapos cruise siya, Darling Harbor, papunta sa Harbor Beach din babalik. Because it's Vivid Sydney, kaya maganda din tingnan yung lugar. And this dinner is part of our celebration for our second year wedding anniversary. Kaya excited kami i-celebrate to.
Yun lang, okay ba yung outfit ko? From H&M, yung coat.
Ako naman pang senador lang to eh. Hindi, nakapants naman ako ng Levi's.
Yung Captain Cook Dinner Cruise, I book it on Klook, so you can use my Klook discount code. Lalagay ka lang dito. Ayaw ka na. Description here.
Yun, we'll take some photos later and videos para makita nyo rin kung ano yung dinner cruise and also yung pagkain namin later para sabay-sabay tayong kakain mamaya.
See ya!
See ya, bye-bye. We're now here at King Street Wharf for our dinner cruise. So, kailangan 30 minutes early bago sa time off and 5 o'clock yung time namin. So, doon kami sa marami siyang iba-ibang ship. May Starship Sydney, Sydney Showboats. Doon kami sa Captain Cook. Restaurants, bars, pubs, bistros, over there as well. Iba-ibang klase ng mga Thank you.
Thank you.
Dito na kami. Pasakay na kami ng barko. Sa barko. Barko! Ang pogi! Hi, good evening. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi po. Premium is all the way up.
The club ka.
Okay, but 40.
Hi.
Guys, welcome to
Thank you. Hi, hello. There's also a live entertainment later. Thank you.
Names and desserts you guys have to order. And for the drinks,
The sunset dinner menu. So, main and the sweets. Ito yung entree na pinili ko. Salmon. For you is, ano mo tayo na?
Spinach and beetroot salad.
Cheese! Mukhang hindi ka mabubusog.
Hindi, mukha ako nag-enjoy ka din.
Wow! Ano tayo?
some bread. Oh, sure. Thank you. Thank you, Ryan.
Happy anniversary.
Thank
Thank
you.
Want me
you
to report anything?
Ito yung dessert. Nilagyan nila ng candle.
for our anniversary.
Nag-enjoy kami sa dinner. Highly suggest.
Yeah. Five
If you're...
orders.
Ang dami ng tao.
Meron pang 8 o'clock dinner.
And also 8 o'clock na fireworks.
Piliin nyo lang kung ano yung gusto nyo, kung lunch or dinner. Pinag-usapan namin na namin kanina yung pros and cons kapag lunch and dinner. Kapag lunch, well, siguro kung family kayo, si the whole scenic views, parang listening yung Harbor Bridge, Darling Harbor, and somebody na partner nyo, yung asawa nyo, girlfriend, ex, kabit, whatever. Dali nyo sa dinner.
Mas romantic.
Para mas romantic.
Mas romantic.
Unfortunately, madilim na sa labas. It's only 6 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock, pero napakadilim na. Yan yung concept. Pero romantically speaking, maganda siya.
Maganda.
Kasi
And my bar.
pag under the bridge, ano dapat? Manitis.
Ayun na.
Wala pang under the bridge, kumis na. Sabi na sabi. Yan pa lang, oh. Yan pa lang, oh. Oh, game.
Wake up, it's a new day. Dreams are calling, don't delay. Feel the power in your heart. Today's your chance to start. Hold on when it's tough. When the road gets rough. Shine bright like the sun. You're not the only one. Rise up, don't you fall. Stand tall, give it your all. Rise up, break the chain. Chase the joy, defy.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Circular Quay. Yan, ang daming tao for the Vivid Sydney. Kung makikita nyo, ayan na yung Sydney Opera House. And then, nasa harapan namin yung projection dito sa may Contemporary Museum of Arts
Daming tao.
Australia.
Stand tall, give it your all. Rise up, break the chain. Chase the joy, defy the pain. In the night, keep the faith. You can find your way.
Mga food cart
Ayan.
dito. May mga ibibenta ng mga watermelon juice, melon fiesta. I love dalawang direksyon yung yung mga food stalls, kaya ang hirap pa isa-isahin. Dami nila.
Nachos! Gusto ko yan. Oh, meron din
May mga
dito.
churros.
Let's do yum cha.
Mga spring roll, dumplings, barbecue pork bun, Tomorrow is a holiday here.
Ganda!
King's birthday. Super busy, oh.
Mukhang ano sila, mabenta.
Parang Hell's Kitchen, oh.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Yung potato
Ganda na ng
chips.
stall nila.
Parang fries.
Ang ganda! Ah, ang galing.
Malapit na tayo sa Harbor Bridge. Nakita niyo naman yung may ilaw na yan. Yan ang Harbor Bridge.
Terrific. Terrific.
Terrific. Mukhang masarap yung kebab. Kebab, kelenon, kelabli. Kanina pa ba? Kebab eh. Siyempre. Kebabi.
Tatry mo rin ba yung kebab?
Waffle Pops. Churros, donuts, and shakes. Mga globe ladies, mga disco globe. Disco ball ladies. Nice.
Hello. Cute.
Laki ng aso. What happened, Bella? Vampire, right? Vampire. There's a werewolf on that side. What happened, Bella?
What happened,
Oh my God.
Why
A
are you crying
werewolf,
again?
Bella. This is the circular key. May projection din sa both pillars nila. Yan. Papalabas din sila. There's
cute ng stall nila,
lemonade.
oh.
Cute. Nasa loob sila ng lemon.
Ang cute ng soul nila na
May
lemon.
Spud Sisters.
Lemon talaga.
There's fairy floss. Yung cotton candy. Cotton candy.
Yung cotton
Urban
candy nila
Cob.
umiilaw.
One is crazy, oh. Urban Cob. Inyag Cob. It's a fresh baked bread with your choice of filling. Na butter chicken, beef bolognese, pasta boscaiola, cheese and spinach. Then, of course, meron silang different pastas.
Cheese and spinach. Ay, carbonara. Oh no.
The,
Hot dog.
The voted Sydney's best burger
Hot dogs, cheese dog,
by
Chicago dog.
The Spaniard.
Muy-
Sino Mandoro.
Natin.
Then smoked meats and chips.
Birdman,
Guys, ito
chicken
naman,
yan.
Birdman. Of course, chicken yan. Fried chicken burgers and hot chips.
Try ka
Parang bad bird sa Pilipinas, di ba? Sa Pilipinas kasi may bad bird yan.
Mukhang masarap to. May price eh.
Popcorn chicken, honey garlic snow cheese popcorn chicken. And syempre, made Pinoy. Spaghetti and chicken, lechon rice bowl, chicken adobo, veggie lumpia,
Miss
lechon on
Filipino.
a stick, sisig rice bowl.
May adobo
Plus
po yun.
taho.
Oh, magtataho
Taho
ako.
sila.
Namiss ko taho. Kaya lang mahal, $16.
Yan, meron silang extra egg, liempo pork barbecue, wagyu beef tapa, lechon rice bowl. Yan, ito yung menu nila. Thank you.
Wow.
Happy kid.
Sisig.
Well, bilang isang
Masarap?
sisig fan, masarap siya. Savory. Hindi ganun ka-fatty, pero yung spice niya, may konting crunchiness, tsaka totally sisig yung lasa niya. Sarap siya. Yan, sinabi naman yung kunti kami ng sisig.
Hindi kasi ako ganun kahilig sa sisig eh.
Ako, alam mo naman ako, mahilig ko sa sisig.
Kaya,
But
For
not
me,
much.
normal lang siya na sisig.
Mm.
Walang brand special na lasa. Or masabi mo mong masarap. Wala. Hmm.
Thank you.
Ah,
Okay, this is our first take for Cobb's Urban Pasta.
Wow,
Cheese
masarap.
and spinach na Cobb. Yeah, na cheese. Spinach sobrang init kasi bagong
Sarap.
luto. And then, nasa loob siya ng bread. Yeah, parang siyang soup bowl pero pasta yung nasa loob.
masarap kasi mainit
May
talaga.
kasama pa siyang mga chips actually. Init no? Papasok ka sa cheese.
Daming cheese, sarap.
Daming cheese no?
Masarap yung bread nila. Crispy.
Sulit no? Sulit. Magkano siya?
21.
Hmm.
Sarap, di ba? Ito, meron din dito tinapay, oh. Ano kaya?
So,
Ito, ilalagay
asaw-saw mo.
sausaw.
Sulit siya. Ang sarap ng sauce. Tapos nasaw-saw mo yung tinapay. Sobrang convenient. Perfect.
Watermelon. Ano, masarap? Sakto lang.
We're here now sa Ashes Nachos. Ayan, order tayo ng beef nachos.
It's 22.
$22.
Mas mahal pa pala ito kan sa...
Sa pasta mo.
Oh.
Ito na yung last na pagkain natin ngayon for tonight.
Wala nang dessert.
Ang budget natin, nasa $60 usually pagkain natin na sila.
Hi! Nachos, please.
Picturean ko. Yan, ito na yung ating beef nachos. On the side lang
Isa
yung
lang yung binigay
jalapenos
na ganito.
niya. Dahil ayaw niya na manghang.
Oh no!
With sour cream, cheese
Maanghang
sauce,
din yung sauce.
tsaka cheese sauce, sour cream, tsaka yung beef. Alamig!
Sarap.
Malamig na ngayon. Mukha siyang masarap actually. Meron din siyang fries, loaded fries na ganyan yung feeling niya.
Yung sour cream yung masarap.
Yung sour cream, maasim ba yung sour cream?
Hindi.
Hindi, hindi siya sour cream. Lagyan natin ng jalapeno. Okay. Nice. Masarap yung nachos niya, hindi siya yung walang lasa. Tsaka yung pickled jalapenos, ang sarap.